Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to reduce background noise in Shotcut. So if you want to reduce the background noise, make sure you've added your video to your timeline. So once you have your video to your timeline, then the first thing you have to do is to detach the audio out of the video. So you can now reduce the noise background, or you can now reduce the background noise. So right click on the video, then click on detach audio, then your video is now your audio is being detached from the video. Here is the detach audio from the video. So once the video is being detached from the audio, and the next thing to do is to click on the audio, then click on this plus icon which is under the filter. Then if this option is not right here, just click on here, then this filter will generate this box. Then from there, click on this plus icon, then use the search bar and search for reduce noise. Now click on reduce noise wavelength, then click on it. To click on it, then you can now play around with this option right here. Start from the decompose, the threshold, the descent, in line with the background noise of the video. So just playing around with it, and this is decompose to 5, and also try and reduce the threshold a little bit, then also reduce it a little bit, then the percent to 50 or 45. Make it 45. Then once that is done, then you can also go back to your video, try and play it a little bit. If the noise is reduced a little bit, or if you want more, then you can just play around with this option, and that's how you can simply reduce noise background or reduce background noise in Shotcut. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.